Lesson 2, Variables. Start off, open KISS-C 2.4.0. Select CBC2 and press Cancel. Now press New. You can delete everything here and type in int main. Now inside these curly brackets, we can type int first equals, or int first, and we can type in int second, or now this basically declares a variable, and we can cover this later. Now I will type in okay. We can compile that and save it as variables. Now, this is what happens sometimes when you don't look over your code. There was a compiler error. Now, on line 7, where it has here, it says expected semicolon before the end curly braces. Aha, here's our problem. Let's put a semicolon there and compile it again. Now the compile succeeded. Okay, now, as you saw in the first lesson where we used printf, we are going to use that again. Type in first equals %d, comma, second is %d. Okay, and in the quotations, and then here's something different. We're going to put first, comma, second. Okay, now let's compile this and see what it does. Oh, it succeeds. Okay, now I'm going to teach you about different variables. The two most commonly used ones are int and float. Int, you can probably guess what that stands for, is integer, and that only takes integer values such as 6, 5, and a -3. Now floats take on decimal values such as 7.2, 3.14159, and 2 even. Now, first, in this command, says that the variable first equals 6, and in second, it says the variable second equals 7.2. Now we print these values. The %d prints whatever is here first, in this case the variable first, and second is %d, and it prints second. And these, what they do is basically follow it in order. Alright, so we'll compile that and then simulate it. Okay, first equals 6, second equals, okay, that's printing the memory address for some reason. Oh, I know why. Okay. To eliminate more lines of code when you're using floats, more particularly, you can just put second equals 7.2. Let's compile that and simulate it. Okay, that's weird. Hold on. Alright. Well, you get the idea. I don't exactly know why it's doing that right now. I think it's because I'm using %d and supposed to be using something else. But you get the idea. And to eliminate even more lines of code, we can just delete the first and put it here. Okay. Compile that, and it works the same way, you can see. This concludes the lesson.